Module 6, Security of the Electronic Health Record. You'll see this abbreviated quite often as an EHR. In this module, you're going to learn about HIPAA requirements that we learned about before, related to the use of electronic medical record, EMR. The module is also going to explore how the medical record is protected through minimal necessary use and audit trails. You'll also explore the impact of security breaches on healthcare professionals and the organization and how to safeguard against these different types of breaches. So throughout this module, you're going to describe how HIPAA requirements are related to the EHR, explain ownership of the EHR, minimal necessary use of the electronic health record, describe what the electronic health record trail audit is, identify the impact of security breaches for yourself and the organization. It does have effect on both the patient as well as the organization, and summarize the ways to safeguard the security of the electronic health record. Your reading assignment for this module is going to be chapter 13, which we're talking about confidentiality, security, and the integrity of data records. You're going to review a PowerPoint that's listed below, high-tech article, which has a lot to do with technology and keeping things safe. Then you have a HIPAA scenario that is needed to be completed. So what you're going to do is respond to the following scenarios and write a brief response in complete sentences for how you would handle the situation. So this is going to be, what you would do is click on mine says preview because it's a different mode, but you're going to click on the link and start it. It's worth 8 points, but there is no time limit. So you're able to sit there and do this for as long as you'd like. If it's taking you 5 hours, it's taking you 5 hours. It's not going to shut off on you. And then if there is something that is incorrect that doesn't correctly match the answer, then it would show right away, or I may need to grade some of them as well. So just be aware of that. The other part you have is a reflection. So a reflection is going to be kind of reflecting on what you have learned. So you're writing a page reflection in Microsoft Word using a 12-point Arial font, double-spaced within 1-inch margins. So in your reflection, you're going to want to discuss and identify the impact of security breaches, how this affects you and also the organization. Summarize ways to safeguard the security of electronic health record. And follow the rubric that is located down here to make sure you get the maximum amount of points available. So those are going to be the assignments. Those two for that. Then we also have a discussion board that's discussing HIPAA. So you're going to have an initial response that's using at least one source in APA formatting. And it's going to be in regards to the following statement. The HIPAA security rule has contributed to better protection of patient information. Do you agree or do you disagree? So again, it's can be somewhat opinion-based, but make sure that you find a source that's able to support your opinion or disagreement with this. In your paper, you should, or in your response, you should also include the ownership of the electronic medical record, the HIPAA requirements related to the use of the electronic medical record, minimal necessary use of the electronic record or electronic health record audit trail. And then, of course, respond to at least one other person. And then if you do have any questions, please make sure that you let me know.